Hi guys, in this video I will be joining in on an open collab that is hosted by Glamour Ellen and the co-host is styled by Miss Linda. And the title of this collab is Spring Room Tour Challenge. Also below guys, I will have the links to their channel below, so be sure to go over to their channel, check out the content and subscribe.
Hey guys, it's me, Nita, at the New You. Guys, once again, I want to thank you so much for stopping by and tuning in to my channel to watch my videos. And guys, in today's video, what I want to share with you is the refresh of my master bedroom. So here today in my master bedroom, what I'll be doing is refreshing this area for spring. I'll be changing out the bedding. I'll be adding some different decor to the nightstand, some soft pinks in those areas. Also, the bedding will have some new decorative pillows. I will be adding some pink decorative pillows to the bedding. Also, over here on the console table, right up underneath the TV, I will be decorating that area as well for spring. And so guys, in this video, it will be a spring refresh, just to sprucing up the area and give it that season vibe. So guys, I do want to ask that you stay tuned, watch the video guys, enjoy the video, sit back, relax guys, and also guys, don't forget at the end of the video, subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and share it, share the video, like, and leave your comment below as well. So guys, thank you so much once again. I will catch you guys at the end of the video. And in the meantime, guys, stay well and be blessed. have this beautiful comforter here that I'm going to be placing on the bed. And this comforter, I ordered it from Amazon. So, it is a king, and it is an 8-piece comforter set. So I will be putting this on the bed, okay? Okay, I'm going to be putting these and that vase over there. So these are so pretty. I got these from Hobby Lobby. Yes, Hobby Lobby. So guys, since this is my husband's side of the bed, I'm not going to put any pink florals over here. I'm just going to use some greenery. Okay. I don't know what difference it makes. I got pink all around the room. Oh well.
Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rolled up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Will you take me on a trip? Always up and down and back and forth in merry-go-round. I just wanna get it right, but when you go left, I'm stuck here feeling left behind. Cause something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were, when no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. Trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. If you love me just like you say you do, don't kill the good vibes. If you kill them, you're gonna kill us too. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rolled up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up.
Hi, so you guys made it to the end of the video. I want to thank you guys once again so much for tuning in and watching the video, guys. I want to thank you so much for coming along with me as I did a spring refresh on my master bedroom. I enjoyed it. It was so much fun for me, adding in the pinks and throwing in pops of bolder pinks, as you can see there. I really enjoyed that. It actually gives the room a little more vibrancy, adds a little more of that spring feeling here in the room. So guys, I really want to thank you so much for tuning in, guys. And until the next video, you guys stay safe, be blessed, and much love.